Okay, so I'm with Mark from Universal Storage Containers, and he's going to tell us a few advantages of using this type of storage device.
The big advantage, if you're looking to expand your location, expand your site, have more rentable space, these buildings, these are instant. When they come to your site, you can assemble them in about 30 minutes, completely weatherproof. You pay personal property taxes. The taxes on these are much less than they would be on a fixed building. You can put them in certain locations. You cannot put a regular building. There are no permits in most cases needed to construct these. You're just putting them on flat land. The units are completely waterproof. They are powder coated, and all the nuts and bolts and hardware on it are stainless steel where they are not going to rust on you. It is a quality unit. The industry itself has rated this unit the #1 storage unit in the world. And we are the #1 storage unit seller.
Awesome. So one of the advantages here is that's personal property instead of being attached to land. So what are like 3 advantages of that?
The personal property.
Yeah, it being personal property. What are 3 advantages?
Well, your taxes on it are going to be less. You can depreciate it, write it off.
You place it on property lines, right?
Yeah, yes.
You place it wherever on the
You can put
property.
it anywhere you want to.
And if you have a property you can't build on with normal stuff, you can with this,
You
right?
can with this because you're just setting it.
Right.
It's
And what
just
are a
setting
couple
on the ground.
examples of that?
As to where you want to put it?
A couple examples of properties that wouldn't take a storage, but you could use with this.
Say examples of a property that the land is not solid enough where it's not. You've got to have a piece of property where the soil is hard enough where you can put a foundation.
Right, like some kind of like landfill.
Yeah, like a landfill or
Right.
a certain place like that 30 years ago in your city was a landfill.
Or a weird shaped lot.
A weird shaped lot, exactly.
Yeah.
It might be a piece of property that the soil is too moist.
Right.
Where it won't get solid enough. You can literally have a parking lot and you can place these on it because you don't have a problem like that. You can put these under high tension power lines where you cannot build a fixed building.
All right, that's perfect. Well, thank you so much, Mark. And that's with Universal Storage Containers.